This next project is all about crypto nodes and play to earn games. Let's get into it. What's going on, everyone? So this is Playfi.ai, and the nodes are already sold out, but I highly recommend to join their Twitter, Telegram, and Discord so you get up to date on when they're releasing more. They were sold out within 24 hours, and so you know there's a huge demand for this project. Their airdrop platform is live, and you can start earning airdrops, so you do want to be on the lookout for that. Start earning points now to be eligible for the earned airdrop. And all you do is go here, load up the quests, and then finish these quests. There are already 15,000 people participating, but that is a good thing because the more that people participating, the more people are able to see this project and join in on the fun. Just connect your wallet and start earning rewards. So as you can see, 30 points, 50 points, and you can do these one time, but there are daily ones too. Check out the play makers and the leaderboard. As you go back to the actual website and see that they do have some major players on their thing here. They have Battlefly, Gumbo, they have ZK Sync, Polygon, so some major partnerships, and earn play while contributing to the Playfi protocol by running one of their unique nodes. And like I said, they are sold out, but you should definitely check out their X or Discord or just up to date. Don't take this video as like you should go to their website. Like they might be live right now while you're watching this video, but they're not live at this very second as I record this. So just be mindful, like you should be checking in periodically because they will release more. This is their technology, their testnet. You definitely want to check out that. They have their little game here, so processing demo. That's pretty cool, actually, to see that the data is going to the blockchain and being stored on the blockchain, and it's being AI driven. I think that is phenomenal. So as you can see, you can earn some sweet rewards by holding one of these nodes and running that data through that node. And so by doing that, you get the play tokens. So you definitely want to join the community, like I mentioned a few times now, Discord, Telegram, X, and check out their Medium. All of their communities are right here. Playfi unlocks the blockchain's primitive for the content the world is watching. So pretty sweet stuff. Definitely check out their team. They have a major transparent team, all on their Twitter and LinkedIn, all public. So that's pretty sweet. They have their blog, their Twitter, their X. So lots of great stuff going on. And definitely check out their white paper. I mean, it is chock full of information. They have their play chain, which they talk about their actual blockchain with a ZK stack. It's the L2 solution, their play base, which is an AI compute layer that pretty much goes over the data processing, storage, and the blockchain data with all of their dApps, which is pretty sweet. Playfi examples, so they have all of the real world, viewership and how the Playfi protocol will be used in, say, Call of Duty or tournaments or Fortnite or whatever that is. How to get started, setting up your wallet, bridging to the testnet, and the Playfi token itself. Their nodes, which again, definitely keep checking back when their nodes are eligible, when they are back up for sale, because you don't want to miss out on this. They have all of their APIs and developer information, SDK references with oracles, network references, and dApps, and their official links for their website and their Twitter or X, as well as their Discord, Portal, Explore, team accounts, Telegram, Farcaster, and GitHub, so that all of their information is transparent for you guys. So I'm very excited about this project, and you guys should too. Check out the project down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.